Hello young learners! Welcome to my channel! Today, our topic is about rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands. But before I will give you some examples and discussion on rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands, let me remind you first about the rule in rounding numbers. The rule in rounding numbers says that we round a number up if the digit we are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And we round a number down if the digit we are rounding is followed by 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. Okay, now, what are the steps to follow in rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands? Well, let's take a look at this example. Example 1. Round 58,234 to the nearest thousands. Step 1. Label each digit with the correct place value. So we will label each digit of the number 58,234 with the correct place value. We will start from here. 4 is in the ones place. I will write letter O, big letter O, for ones. 3 is in the tens place. So I will write letter T for tens. And 2 is in the hundreds place. I will write capital letter H for hundreds. 8 is in the thousands place. So I will write TH for thousands. And 5 is found in the 10,000s place. So I will write TH here. Since we're going to round this number to the nearest thousands, so I will underline the place value of thousands. So here. After labeling each digit with the correct place value, we will now do step 2, which is to identify the digit to be rounded off. And the digit to be rounded off here is 8. Why 8? Because we are going to round this number in the thousands place. So 8 is the digit found in the thousands place. So as you can see here, I underlined 8. So we will have a guide that this is the digit that we will round off. Okay? After identifying the digit to be rounded off, let's do step 3, which is to identify the digit found at the right side of the digit to be rounded off. And always remember that if the digit to be rounded off is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round up. And if the digit to be rounded off is followed by 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, round down. What digit is found at the right side of 8 here? You are correct. The digit found at the right side of 8 is 2. So 8 here is followed by 2. Since the digit we are rounding here is followed by 2, so we will round down. When we round down, we just copy the digit we are rounding. So, we will copy 8 here. Okay, let's copy 8 since 8 is the number we are rounding. And then, what's the next step that we're going to do? We will do step 4, which is to change all the digits to the right of the digit we are rounding into 0. So since there are 3 digits here, which are 2, 3, and 4, we will change all these digits into 0. 2 will become 0, 3 will become 0, and 4 will become 0. Then we will do the last step, step 5, which is to copy the digit or the digits at the left side of the digit we are rounding. Since there is only one digit at the left side of 8, which is 5, So we will write 5 here. So our answer here is 58,000. So, if 58,234 is rounded off to the nearest thousands, the answer is 58,000. Okay. Now, let's take a look at our next example. Example 2. Okay, let me erase this one first. Example 2. Round 34,786 to the nearest thousands. Step 1. Label each digit with the correct place value. So we will label each digit of the number 34,786 with the correct place value. So we will start from here. 6 is in the ones place. So I will write O for ones. 8 is in the tens place. So I will write T for tens. 7 is in the hundreds place. So I will write H for hundreds. 4 is in the thousands place. So I will write the H for thousands. And 3 is in the 10,000s place. So I will write TTH for 10,000s. Since we're going to round this number to the nearest thousands, so I will underline the place value of thousands here. Okay, thousands. After labeling each digit with the correct place value, we will now do step 2, which is to identify the digit to be rounded off. The digit to be rounded off here is 4, because 4 is in the digit found in the thousands place. Okay, so we will underline 4. So we will have a guide that this is the digit to be rounded off. Okay. Since we have already identified the digit to be rounded off, let us proceed with the next step. Step 3, which is to identify the digit found at the right side of the digit to be rounded off. And always remember that if the digit to be rounded off is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round up. Correct. And if the digit to be rounded off is followed by 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, round down. Since 4 here, the digit we are rounding is followed by 7. Okay, so 7 is found at the right side of 4. So we will round up. Correct. So what are we going to do now? Since we're going to round this number up, okay, we will add 1 to the digit we are rounding, which is 4. So we will add 1 to 4. So I will rewrite this number here. This one, 34,786. And 4 is the digit that we're going to round off. Okay, so we will now round this number up because the number that follows 4 or the number found at the right side of 4 is 7. Okay, so 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. And then the next step that we're going to do is to change all the digits to the right of the digit we're rounding into 0. Since there are 3 digits here, which are 7, 8, and 6, so we will change all these digits into 0. 7 will become 0, 8 will become 0, and 6 will become 0. And then, we're going to copy the digit at the left side of 4 here. So we will copy 3 here because there is only 1 digit here, which is 3. Okay? So our final answer here is 35,000. So if you're going to round off 34,786 into the nearest thousands, the answer is 35,000. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. This has been your Teacher M saying, keep learning, keep growing. Bye!